You come from jail. You do all show Atlanta and about like keep it. Pussy wall. Or you have to do show at Atlanta. You come home, come here, say Butler the biggest promoter at Atlanta. And you not give Butler a show. And we feel laugh with a pussy wall and grateful bomber wall. Dirty minded pussy. Yo. And golly God. 2 on.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Music bigger than them. Somebody say you can't play them music if you feel so about them. What you mean? They mean to play Alkaline song? Me Alkaline and a friend. Music bigger than me and bigger than them.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Supposed to make Butler eat food every single day, and that is not a Batman thing. That's not a red eye man thing. That's not grudgeful. You have to pay homage to where your wealth come from. You come from jail. You do all show Atlanta and about like keep it. Pussy wall. Or you have to do show Atlanta. You come home, come here, say Butler the biggest promoter at Atlanta. And you not give Butler a show. And we feel laugh with a pussy wall and grateful bomber wall. We not kiss ass, so we not have to say what you want to hear. Foota bad mind and red eye for your things. Now that I say? Yeah. Butler red eye, yeah? Butler bad mind, yeah? Talk now. Butler bad mind, yeah? Come here, a whole for things I want to say about you in a brief pass. But me dying for you call me name in a disrespectful manner, yeah? Me can't wait for you to say Foota hype in a disrespectful manner, yeah? You drop word and send out your brief brigade for say, no drop no word, man. Call me name, man. Address me like a man. You move like a girl. Come here, have something saying. You never know. How Butler now get no strength? Oh, you not do nothing for Butler. So you are good youth. Oh, you are good youth. Explain no Kortel. Oh, you are good youth. You get up every day, bounty killer make you rich. Oh, you know bounty killer. Butler do it. What you do for Butler? You come home and you say about like biggest promoter Atlanta. You give him a show? You have to go sing for Butler free pussy. You have to just go sing for Butler and go your yard. Not even a drink say if you get. The whole of that money there out and show for the Butler one. You not come trick people and I go like on a good bomb buckler. On a pussy. On a ungrateful no bomb buckler. On a ungrateful and wicked and selfish and covetous and bad mind and red eye. The 2 of you are 2 pussy. You know what I like about internet? Anything I say I stay. That means I leave me dead a morning. I leave me eye closed a morning. This I got ribbit now on the head. You are 2 ungrateful, selfish, dirty minded pussy. Yo and golly God. 2 on you. 2 on you. Ungrateful like shit. That's what me just say care about. You know, ungrateful like shit. 2 on a 2 ungrateful blood clot disciple. Yeah, me a talk for who afraid for talk. Ungrateful as shit. Who don't remember where I come from. Who don't remember who do it for you now pussy. When the show done and all like lock off and when I mere mortal again, when I go hear this. When the entourage gone, when you're in your house by yourself, when everybody leaves, and you try sleep, when I hear my voice in your head, 2 ungrateful bomber wall. No member where I come from. No member who do it for no. Pussy. Me not like you. Until you start take care of the people them we do it for no. Pussy. Me not like you. That me I tell you. Music bigger than them. Somebody say you can't play them music if you feel so about them. What you mean? They mean to play Alkaline song? Me Alkaline and a friend. Music bigger than me and bigger than them. Them sing song where within the laws of the culture and people like it, we can play it. Me a select at the end of the day. But as persons, as human beings, them two boy and them not remember where them a come from. Oh, Mavado deal with Foota song. Oh, Kortel deal with Butler song. And without Butler and without a Foota hype, none of them not rich. Without a Butler and a Foota hype, no Kortel and no Mavado in there. So how you deal with the two man them we set on life the worst. You know why? Tell you why you do it. You know say the way all them two people they are dominant and powerful without money. The things them where we do for Uno without money. The doors them where we open for Uno without money. Uno know say if we even get a quarter or a fraction of the money, we got too powerful. And on a bad mind, in our brain, on a heart dirty, and on a mind dirty. Uno know why we see that glory there. Uno know why we see that glory there. Because if we don't have the money and we so powerful, uno can't bad way up, uno can't use badness, uno can't use connection, uno can't use nothing. The only thing uno have to I put that money. Uno so broke, all you have money. I want to fight who, I want to source of energy. I'm telling you something today. I don't care which pussy want to talk about, we talk about people things, I wiggy them things. So no boy can't talk about no things, can never have nothing. Hungry that kill you know. When Butler fight with Kortel, him hungry like dog. They would have look a maga girl from around the back of Portmore. They say, I don't remember her name. I can look for her name. Hold on. But I tell you no her name in idea. Kortel me know more than we you even dream. So you hear me talking now. Me dying for you, this me for real, you know. And call me name and disrespect me, you know. Or one of your friends them see me around with me, I know say you me unleash mayhem by your blood clot, you know. You can't stay there. You can't stay there. Too blood clot, selfish and wicked, man. Pussy wall. Oh, you know do nothing for Butler, but you not say me bad mind Kortel. Oh, you bad mind Kortel, feel on the mouse, me not bad mind, no boy. And me have things long time. But oh, you not help the man where you say make you rich. You don't do nothing for bounty killer. And you don't do nothing for the man who make you meet bounty killer. Tell me the truth now. You don't do nothing, you know, for bounty killer. And you still not do nothing for Butler. Tell me the truth now. Oh, pa earth. You ever say you're a good youth? Which part are you a good youth? Uno ungla the things to camera. Uno ungla the things to camera. Uno ungla the things to public validation. And that you know I do. Uno not real. Uno not real. Uno not real none at all. Uno not real none at all. Uno just have pretend like uno real in a camera and a trick some little fool. Well, licky for 100 US or 1 grand or something. Uno not real. Show realness by your action, man. Oh, your friend them around you. Put on the phone a little bit. People, show you how much Kortel wicked and ungrateful. I'm telling you some of my phone them loaded in now. The girl we Kortel it there with them tending him hungry. She named Alier. Yeah. Alier she named. Yeah, one little maga girl from over Portmore. She not maga again, she there foreign. Me know everything about you and Alier teacher. Everything, and this is before your boss. Ramp with me the right way. And see. Anyway, I'm going to show you why Kortel him I go on like him real, him not real. And I talk about loyalty. You, Lenny Matic, a Butler brother. People, you see the youth where you see my part name Sky Dweller, where everywhere in them there, a Butler brother. So you are telling me, say you wake up every day You wake up every day and you see that youth around you so loyal and know say a butler blood brother this, same mother, same father. And you not thinking of your subconsciousness come out of your devil element and think say blood clot. You know, so I really need to give Butler strength. Come Butler brother around me every day. The man could have cut your throat and your sleep, Kortel. The man can poison your drinks. The man can poison your food, bro. A Butler blood brother that. But you deal with Butler like a pussy wall. Think about it. You know feel that way, my youth. Every time you look on Lenny Matty and I say right hand that. You know remember say a Butler brother? You know remember say a Butler make you rich. And you deal with Butler like a pussy. Not like Butler call you a beggar nothing. But out of your goodness and your heart and your mind. Every time you dash money give your pitney them. Dash money give your girl. Dash money give your mother. Put your mother in the big eye and say, oh, my rich mommy, enjoy life. You forgot to say a Butler do that? You forgot to say a Butler make you able to do all of that? When they call it $1 million, them are sure. Butler no run to your mind. Butler name no run to your mind even when you count the money them. When you buy a watch or a chain or a car or a house. Butler name no ring for your brain. You know say $1 million this. Yo, I don't want to give the pussy nothing but I him bust me. Take off 100,000. Yo, Lenny, give Butler that 100,000. Tell him something still not like it. I mean, I want to deal, but see 100,000 there, give me. Precious, whatever guys of punk you are, matter where Butler do, Butler never kill Kortel, Butler never send Kortel a jail, Butler never do none of that. Even if you and Butler have argument and never deal, you're rich now. And even make you rich, you can't worry about that. The source of income, do you still make money off of what Butler do? You know see Kanye West get rich and look for Beanie Seagal and say Beanie Seagal call him, give him the name Yeezy. And for that, Beanie Seagal deserve money. And so much money him give Beanie Seagal. So we're not talking about. So if Butler do something where you make money off of for the rest of your life. Zine? Ricky Chu, I'm not added to no call. You feel like a joke thing this? And you say, you don't have no bad song for you. You don't know why you hear the truth. You don't rather me review song, eh? You can't go around that one here. You can't go around that one here. You don't notice the two camp. At this, and I avoid the man that will make them rich. Mavado avoid Foota hype. Kortel avoid Butler. How can that make sense? How are these good people? How them are real? I want to say, how really how them are? Finally, how can you not get up every day as fans? Yo, they are really what my artists are the realest thing. And the man who make them rich. Butler and Foota hype. We're giving the gully and the Gaza. Them are go around them. Oh no, well, yeah, I first me hear Gaza fans that beg me for review song. Yo, I first me hear them a ball say, you don't have no song for review. The truth has sting on it like the shooter sting on it like M16 gunshot. The shooter sting on it, man. Can't you say me bad mind, so I take myself out of the equation. What about the Kortel so? And what about the Kortel so in a life? That's him can turn you in a millionaire. And you don't feel like you deserve to give him nothing. And you make money off him every day. After what Butler do, you make money every day. After what Foota hype do, you make money every day. But Foota not fi vex and Butler not fi vex. We not fi feel betrayed. We not fi feel like we're ungrateful. Because we frightened for no. How we frighten the phone when we have it before, you know, and share our energy, our vibe, our money, everything. We don't know to become the big entity. Thank you, Galley's Prince. See, Galley's Prince said the two artists them are pussy. That is it. That is it. And we can show you a whole heap more example of how them wicked. And them just refrain from do the right thing. To them ego big. Them refrain from do the right thing and fix things with the source of them energy, the source of them riches. But guess what them not understand? There's so much what man can do in that. There's, yeah, Kortel are the subliminally, but me not the subliminal. Me attack straight. Because I am the straight boss. I'm a brief boss. We not big friend. We just attack the truth. And this me and this him neither. Because that's why I show you example. You understand? Somebody's gonna call them pussy car, pussy a good thing. Yeah. See, how uno wicked to the people that make uno rich, but uno want props as good youth. How that? If you now bless the source of your income, or you want good youth title, them ongo give people things where them can turn in a slave. And even though them a give them people the things, them a give them where make them can better themselves. Your uncle can do two little things, probably pay two little bill this month, buy 2 pieces of clothes this month, and then you're going back to lean in upon them. A slave them a deal with. Them not like people like me, and them not like people like Butler, where Butler businessman own restaurant, keeping part of them, doing businesses, and elevate as a man. Them not like them people there. See? Them not like people like Butler. People like me will go out there, keep my part of them, do my little cake sale them, do my round robbing them, and self-reliant. Me not have to itch up on them to live. Sleeping in my car, living in my car, living in a barber shop, whatever them want to say. Them not like people like we. Because if you run back at them when them fart it catch you, when them spit it splash by you, and you come back, them diss you for girl, them run away, them clone you out, and you have to run come back because you have other source of income. Me no work so. Me a leader. Butler leader. Them not go like we. What we do so? Oh, what we do them so in our life? For Kortel no want use Butler, Mavado no want use Foota. What we do so in our life? Me see Mavado say, him fuck. Me see Kortel say, him fuck Mavado mother. And she suck him out pan Gaza. And me see you hug him up, say, Yanni, my brother. Me never tell you something bad about your mother yet. Ever. To owe me and you a brother. Me never played a Kortel song there yet. We say, Gully God go suck your mother. Me never play it yet. It's a record the man do. I say if you suck your mother, you know. Play worldwide every night, you know. And you can't forgive even hug up him. I mean, no do you nothing. Me don't even ask you forgiveness because I no do you nothing. And you are the pussy. And you go around and you don't want to share. Are you ungrateful? Are you selfish? So nothing even there for no forgiveness. And you feel do the right thing. How can a man deal with so? Mr. Kortel say killer shit in a bed, name shit, fuck girl in a body. And Mr. Killer hug him up and say, my son, I love you. Oh my son. How it go? Because it shows that the whole hour, no? That's some licky man. Because Khalid have money, we don't run go hug up and glass up to Khalid. We don't like each other. But through money, we don't do it. Mavado and Kortel don't like each other. But for money, them go up on some face and do it. Oh God, my brother. They didn't want to see you dead. They didn't want to see you go to prison. The two of you don't want to see each other dead. The war did real. A whole heap of people get gunshot and knife stab and base something. Stop fake it. Stop fake it. Only did really hate each other. People dead. People they are prison. Man lose them work, them good work. Man turn suffer a sake of uno. Fuck do uno. And nobody enough to talk. When you know ungrateful and blood clot selfish, nobody enough to talk. Foota hyper talk. And no, you can't tell me not talk. I'm in a yes man, I'm in a press button. And I'm my story me attack. So if you don't like it and you know if you do, call the liar. Call on a liar. That me I tell you now. Somebody said, them I can't say anything about killer when me and killer cuss, man. War it name, man. Then Kortel and say him for dead, man. Chop him up with a chicken axe, man, and chop him in how much million pieces and dash him, man. So him can run go friend Kortel. Till Kortel diss him again. So want to if me and him a war, I say a bag of thing. I say a bag of thing. Him say a bag of thing and him diss me, make me have to diss him. Me would have never diss killer first. A killer diss me first. So I regret that I'm going to apologize for that. But if them can talk to Kortel, where you all God can Foota and Foota do a good phone. I'm in a business where I watch phone and glasses. One night I go watch phone and glasses. I have nothing to hide. Anything in that phone will come out, I feed them business. Remember me telling them say a whole heap of people business in this phone, you know. Some serious something, you know. When me I worry people, my business when me did say. My business when me did say when me and killer war and a killer push me for war him. So I saw it go. But if him can't cool with Kortel, how will you hold against Foota? And Foota put millions in a year pocket bounty killer. Mavado worse. I mean make you rich. And you gonna hug up Kortel with this me spinning how much time. This your mother how much time. I'll not record. Me never as long as me and your friend. Me never tell you about your mother. And you can't see go laugh with them boy. Your manager now, Julian, rob you how much time and do a petition for you get deported out of America. And you forgive him and make him a manage you again. After him thief so much money as according to you, your own words, and sign a petition in America to get people to sign it to deport you. And you and him cool and him angry back your money? But you have a problem with Foota? Make it make sense, David. David Constantine Brooks. Make it make sense. You don't feel fuck up. When you hear all them in video, you don't feel a way in yourself. You don't feel like you just want to drink like a poison. Because you're going like this tough thing. You're not tough. Because the man will try to get you deported and rob you. And him you work with now again, you know. But you are this Foota hype. How you work with Julian again? After all the way you say Julian did. We don't have strength for a friend them. We don't have strength for a real friend them. We don't have strength for a real friend them. We don't know nothing about realness. We don't have strength for a real friend them. We don't have style. Remember, Almighty tell us, don't bite the hands that feed you. See how Kortel deal with Butler? No deal with Butler better? More pain shall come. See how Mavado deal with Foota hype? See if you don't deal with Foota hype better? More pain shall come. Me not ask. We know how God work. Continue. Continue make on your ego rule. You know. We don't have a style.